So now let's demonstrate Park Assist Pilot and how the Volvo can actually parallel park itself, or in this case, perpendicular park itself. So just swipe the screen over to the right and then hit the Park In button. And you just keep pulling up until the car tells you it found a slot and says continue forward and follow instructions. So I'm moving forward now slowly. The car wants me to stop, so I put the car in reverse. Again, perpendicular parking is selected. And now the car is steering 100% by itself, and I'm just modulating the brake pedal basically to allow the car to roll back and park. So you don't typically have to hit the gas. And now backing up until it tells me to stop, and it does that by showing you a blue bar that descends, and when the blue bar disappears and you hear the park sensors also starting to go up in frequency, then you know that actually stop the vehicle. You select drive. The car's going to straighten itself out so it can back into the spot. And now I'll put it in reverse, and now the car is backing in. So it's reversing slowly. Be prepared to brake, it says. So my foot's on the brake pedal the whole time. And we're finished.